Good morning, class. Hope you are doing well in this situation. So, as you know that we have completed the chapter number 3 almost. So first of all, I'll recall that whatever I have taught you, so that we are going to discuss here. As you know that in this chapter we have learned that how we can create a mail and we can send a different recipients. As you know, if you want to send anyone a mail, then you have to write so many times names, address, and whatever the important things are there, that you have to mention accordingly. So what you have to do, with the help of MS Office, you can just create a one mail and send it to different recipients. Okay, so in this chapter we have done with it that how we can create the main document. Okay, because see, the main document is all about the mail, that whatever the mail you want, so that you write in the main document. After that, what you do, you have to create a recipient list. So in that recipient list, what you do, you just create the people all the details, the required details, which is very important for them to send the mail, that is the name, address, and whatever the things like phone number, etc. Whatever the things you want to add, you can add in the recipient list, and accordingly you just send it to. So before that, like, since you have created the main document and also you have created the recipient list, so what you have to do now, you have to just attach both of these. So now we will do what, we will just merge them. So now we are going to discuss about the merge field, that how you can create the merge field here. And after that, now we will discuss about how you can insert the merge field, how you can view the merge data, and how you can print that particular letter. So we'll start with the next topic, that is inserting a merge field, and by we will discuss all these topics related to this. So we'll start with the book. Okay, inserting merge field. On the mailing tab, click on the insert merge field button in the right and insert field group. See, this is the it is a insert merge field dialog box. So what you have to do here, you have to just click on this title, first name, address. See, these are the fields that you have created for the recipients. Okay, so now see, on the mailing tab, click on the insert merge field button, and in the right and insert field group, the insert merge field dialog box appear with list of field names that you have created. So when you will click on that insert merge field tab, then what, see, there is a dialog box appear that I have told you, and here you can see that whatever the fields you have created, that is here. Now click on the field name that you have intend to add, and click on the insert button. See, what you have to click on the field name जिसको आपको ऐड करना है, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट बटन. और जैसे आप इसको कर लिए, फिर आप क्या करोगे, इंसर्ट बटन पे क्लिक कर दोगे. सिमिलरली इंसर्ट अदर फील्ड्स इन डॉक्यूमेंट, क्लिक ऑन द क्लोज बटन. सी, देयर आर द डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. अब आपको अगर टाइटल ऐड करना है तो पहले टाइटल पे क्लिक करोगे और फिर इंसर्ट करोगे. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट नेम को ऐड करना है तो फर्स्ट नेम को क्लिक करोगे, इंसर्ट करोगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट, जब आपका खत्म हो जाएगा, जो भी चीजें आपको इसमें ऐड करनी थी, जो भी डिटेल्स आपको चाहिए, उनको इंसर्ट करने के बाद आप क्या कर दोगे, क्लोज कर दोगे उस पर्टिकुलर टैब को. See, you will notice the selected field name will appear in your document one after another. तो जो आप क्या नोटिस करो कि जिस फील्ड को आपने सेलेक्ट किया था, वो आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में अपीयर हो जाएंगे एक के बाद एक. Horizontal separate the field names by pressing the enter key. Horizontally आप separate कर सकते हो field name को by entering the enter key. See, title, last name, whatever the things are there here. Okay, so this is the inserting merge field. Now viewing the merge data, you can check whether the Microsoft Word has picked up the data source according to the merge field or not. So you can check whether the Microsoft Word has picked up the data source according to the merge field or not. आप यहाँ क्या कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हो कि जो भी आपने डेटा सोर्स उठाया था उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यहाँ पे merge field में है या नहीं है. By viewing it on the screen, आप अपने स्क्रीन पर उसको व्यू कर सकते हो. Click on the previous view result button. See, this is the previous result view button in the previous result group on the mailing tab. तो जो भी आपका mailing tab होगा उसको वहां पे मिल जाएगा tab, और click the next और preview your letter wizard step under the step 4 of 6. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे उसका प्रीव्यू ले सकते हो. जैसे देखो आपने क्या क्या सेलेक्ट किया था यहाँ पे, कि यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम, एड्रेस लाइन, सिटी. तो देखो यहाँ पे first name, last name, address and city is there. ठीक है? And then see, dear, title, last name, this. So here, dear Mrs. Thakur, and this is the letter. Okay. The first record will be displayed. Click on the next record button in the previous result group to view the next record of the data source. तो आप क्या देख रहे हैं इसमें क्या बोला, जो भी रिकॉर्ड आपको डिस्प्ले हो रहा है आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, नेक्स्ट रिकॉर्ड बटन, मतलब जो भी आपको नेक्स्ट रिकॉर्ड बटन होगा उसको प्रीव्यू रिजल्ट करने के लिए आपको ग्रुप टू व्यू द नेक्स्ट रिकॉर्ड द डेटा, तो आपको इस पर क्लिक करना पड़ेगा। तो जो भी आपका नेक्स्ट रहेगा वो आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे, जैसे आपको प्रीव्यू रिजल्ट दे रहे ना मोना ठाकुर का यहाँ पे, सो लाइक इन दैट वे ओनली यू विल एबल टू सी ईच एंड every recipients. Okay, now printing your letter. See, you can take the printout of your letter with the merged data of your data source. In order to print the letter, follow the given steps. See, if you want to print that particular data, then what you have to do, click on the finish and merge button. See, this is the finish and merge button. In the finish group on the mailing tab, select the print document. See, here there is some options is there, so you have to click on the print document option from the, this is the drop down menu, so accordingly you have to select the print document. Then click on the next, complete the merge. Okay, complete the merge under the step 5 of 6 section, then click on the print option under merge option. See, after doing this, what you have to do, you have to click on the next, then complete the merge, it is wizard step 5 of 6, and then under that section आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, click करना पड़ेगा print option पे। See, it is clear to you, this is a print option under merge section. The merge to printer dialog box will appear. जो merge to printer dialog box, जैसे कि यहाँ पे dialog box आपको, the merge printer dialog box will appear. Define the desired print settings and click OK. So this print dialog box will appear, and accordingly you have to whatever the things, that is whatever your desire, accordingly you have to print the settings and click OK. The selected record will be printed separately along with the letter. See, there were so many records. Okay, see, you were having so many names there, so accordingly you will get printed the all whatever the data you want of accordingly, like separately, like अगर विशाखा का है तो विशाखा का अलग आएगा, ठीक है, अमन का है तो अमन का अलग आएगा वो पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंट, ठीक है। ओके, so here we have done with this chapter. Hope you have learned at how you can just insert merge field, you can view the merge data, and also you have learned that how you can print that particular letter. So today we have done with this chapter. Hope you have just learn it properly, and hope you have understand that. So if you're having any doubt regardingly, you can ask to me. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Stay safe, stay happy, stay tuned. Thank you.